Alright. So today we brought in a brand new dripper called the Suprima SD1, and we're going to talk about that. Alright, so let's talk about the Suprima SD1, because this dripper is doing things differently. This dripper is designed by a two-time Indonesian Brewers Cup champion, Hiro Lesmana, so it's not just another pour-over tool. It's a hybrid dripper that gives you more control, more consistency, and of course, a great cup of coffee, because that's what we're all looking for at the end of the day. Most drippers work one way. You pour water in, it flows straight through, and that's that. But the SD1 does things a little bit differently. It actually combines percolation and immersion. That means at the start, water flows quickly, like a typical pour-over, but as the brew goes on, it slows down, giving the cup of coffee more time to extract evenly. The result, you get a balanced, full-flavored cup without the guesswork. Basically, it helps you avoid common brewing mistakes so you don't end up with coffee that's too sour or too bitter. Just smooth, well-extracted flavor every single time. Now, let's get into the details. The SD1 has a neo-flat interior, which helps the filter paper stick to the walls. Okay, so why does that matter? Because it keeps water from sneaking through the gaps and causing channeling, which is one of the biggest reasons your coffee can taste off. On the outside, you got these concentric ribs that keep it simple on whatever you're brewing into, whether it's a cup or a carafe or whatever else you like to use. And on the inside, there are 3 small channels that control airflow, making sure your drawdown is smooth and steady, no clogging, no weird stalls, just a clean, predictable brew. So unlike glass and ceramic drippers that can crack if you look at them the wrong way, the SD1 is made from a tough food-grade polycarbonate, so it's lightweight, super durable, and heat resistant up to 120 degrees Celsius. So whether you're brewing at home or in a cafe or even out camping, it's safe to say this thing's not going to break. Now, if you're wondering about filters, don't worry, super versatile. It works with your standard V-shaped 0-2 filter, so you're not locked into any specific brand. And whether you're making a single cup or a full batch, it's got you covered. So why this over a traditional dripper? Simple. More control, more consistency, and a lot less headaches when it comes to your brew. The hybrid design means you don't have to worry about water rushing through fast or getting stuck in one spot. It just brews the way it's supposed to, giving you a well-balanced, delicious cup of coffee without all the trial and error. And because it's so forgiving, it's great for beginners who want to get better at pour-over, but also gives experienced brewers the control they need to fine-tune their extractions. Long story short, the Suprima SD1 is designed to make pour-over brewing easier, more consistent, and honestly, just better. If you're tired of unpredictable results and want a dripper that actually helps you get the best out of your coffee, you should check this one out. Thank you everyone for watching this YouTube video. If you want to learn more about the Suprima SD1, it is available on our website right now, so go check it out. Until then, happy brewing.